Welcome friends in my channel Maths of Physics Academy, and today I am going to solve some of the questions related to CBSE 6th standard, and that is the first chapter, that is patterns in mathematics. So we will be discussing about this particular chapter, and in the beginning itself I am informing that the contents which I have taken, that is from NCERT textbook. So I have taken the content to make you understand. Right, these are already written in your book, but let us have a discussion. Okay, so these all are taken from NCERT textbook. So these are not my content, it belongs to completely the content writer and the author. So that's there. Now we can see that what is mathematics, right? Most of us are not in a position to define what is mathematics. So in mathematics there are patterns. So in the numbers actually some patterns are being hidden. So that is the way it is written as here, as mathematics is in large part the search for patterns and for the explanations as to why those patterns exist. So patterns are something which is getting repeated regularly, that is called pattern. So mathematics is also a pattern only, and we need to search for each and every number that what actually is the pattern it follows, right? Now, so that is called patterns of numbers. Among the most basic patterns that occur in mathematics are patterns of numbers. So in mathematics we use numbers, right? We use numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and particularly patterns of whole numbers. Whole numbers. What is a whole number? Whole number starts from 0 and it goes up to infinity. All positive numbers starting from 0 is called whole numbers, right? Similarly, all numbers which are starting from 1 to infinity, that is called natural numbers. So the branch of mathematics that studies patterns, especially branch of mathematics that studies patterns in whole numbers, is called number theory. Is called number theory. It is also called as number system. Also called as number system, right? But in number system, when we are going, we are utilizing all those integers also. So here the question is mathematics, branch of mathematics that studies patterns in whole numbers is called number theory. So number sequences are the most basic and among the most fascinating types of patterns that mathematicians study. So we used to have sequences, means after each number a different number will come, and there is a particular rule utilizing which only that next number comes, and that is called number sequence, right? Here are some of the number sequences. Let us discuss. Like suppose if 1 is getting repeated infinite times, dot 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 means infinite times, if it is getting repeated, we can say that all 1 means all numbers are 1 only. Now when the number is increasing by 1, each one, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, okay, 8, 9, 10, 11. So in this way it is counting number. So it is known as counting numbers, right? Counting numbers. Now coming to next one, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. So these are numbers which are not divisible by 2. So odd numbers are those numbers which are not divisible by 2, right? Not divisible by Right. Now which are even numbers? The numbers which are having 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 as unit digit at unit place, right? At unit place we can say. So those numbers will be called as even numbers, right? So all those numbers other than odd numbers are called as even numbers. So you can see 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So here 0 is there at unit place, 12 unit place 2 is there, 14 unit place 2 is there, then 16, 18, 20, 22, like this. 102, 404, 608, all those are even numbers. Now coming to triangular number, how to obtain triangular number? So in triangular number, what we do, we add. How we are adding? So the very first number will be 1. If we add plus 2 in this one, we get 3. Then if we add 3 in this one, plus 3, it becomes 6. We add 4. So each number which we are adding to the number given will be increased by 1 with respect to its previous one. Okay, so plus 4, then plus 5, plus 6, here plus 7 is there. Okay, so 28 plus 8 will be there, so we can say 36. Then plus 9 will be there. Okay, so it will become 45. Then again plus 10 will be there, so it will become 55, and so on. That type of number in which you add by adding one number in comparison to previous pattern, that is called triangular numbers. Then squares, the numbers which are multiplied by self, only once, self only one time, only once, so that is called a square. So here it has become 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, then 8 square, that is 64, 9 square, 81, 10 square, that is 100. Similarly, so the numbers which are multiplied by self only once, right? That is called square. Then coming to cube, so here multiplied by their own squares, so you can say 1 is multiplied with 1 square, right? So 1 into 1 square, 2 into 2 square, means total 2 to the power 3 cube, total 2 to the power cube, so it will become 3 to the power cube, 4 to the power cube. We are writing cube as x to the power 3. We are writing square as x to the power square. So x will take the value of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So 4 cube, 5 cube, 6 cube, then coming to 7 cube, 8 cube, 9 cube, like this it will be there. Okay. Another number, it is called Virahanka number. So what is that Virahanka number? When we add the number, the following number, like with 1, so it has started with 1, then second number is 2. 1 and 2 we have to write in this form. Okay, right. And now we will start with the Virahanka number, like 1 plus 2, 3. So just we need to add with its previous number, like 2 and 1 is added, we got 3. 3 and 2 is added, we got 5. 5 and 3 is added, we got 8. 8 and 5 we have added, we got 13. Then 13 plus 8 we got 21. Then 21 plus 3, 24, 34. Right? Okay. Then 34 plus 21, so 35 and 20, 55. Okay, right. Then 55 plus 34, so 9 and 8. So in this way, Virahanka number will be there. Now next one, powers of 2. Power of 2. So we will start with power of 2 means 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1 means 2, 2 to the power 2 means 2 to the power 4, that is square, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 6, then will come 2 to the power 7, then 2 to the power 8 and 2 to the power 9 in this way, right? So that is powers of 2 only. Similarly, powers of 3. So in this powers of 3, 3 to the power 0, anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. Anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. Okay, right. Then 3 to the power 1, 3 to the power 2, 3 to the power 3, 3 to the power 4, 3 to the power 5, 3 to the power 6, okay, 3 to the power 7. So in this way, powers of 3. So some of the patterns of the number sequences is given here. Right. Next is hexagonal number. So hexagon, hexa means 6. Remember, hexa means 6 and gon means side. Actually, gon means side. So the number which are representing 6 sides in some way or the other, 6 sides, okay, in some way or the other is called hexagonal number. Hexagonal number. Okay, so like this many are there, like pentagon. So it means penta means 5. Penta means 5. Okay, octa, octagon, octa means 8. Nonagon, it means 9. Decagon, deca means 10. So these are various, you can say, Greek terminologies are there which are being used in mathematics nicely. So here we are studying about hexagonal numbers. In hexagonal numbers, we can see that, like suppose it has started with 1. So 1 is not, you can say, not representing any hexagon. But if you add with 6, you will get 7 number. And this 7 number is denoting it is a hexagonal. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 sides are there. And in the center, one sphere is there, right? So 6 sides. Similarly, power of 6, not power of 6, multiple of 6 we need to add in the number, multiple of 6. Like in 1, you are adding 6. Here in this one, we are adding 6 into 2, powers of 6. Here we are adding power of, sorry, not power of 6, multiple of 6. Okay, multiplication with 3 digits, 3 number, with 3, with 2, then with 4. Okay, 6 into 4. So next number will come as, here it is 24. So 37 plus 24, 37, 24, 41 and 61, right? 61. So that is there. So here it was 18, 19 plus 18 has given you 37. So again in this one, by taking it as 3 times, we will make these sides 3, 4, 5 and 6. So in this, what we are taking? 3 spheres we are taking in groups, 3 circles, and we are making it sides. Okay, right. Similarly, inside you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. and again in the center 1 is there. So this is hexagonal. Now here we are taking 4 as one group, 1, then you see 2 sides, 3, 4, here 5, and it is becoming 6. So 6 sides. Again by taking 3, right? Okay, like this. By taking 2, right? Okay. Okay, so it is getting inserted. So 4 4 we are taking outside, 4 we have taken, then 4 3 2. Okay, 4 3 2. So these are called hexagonal numbers. Okay. Now, so with any number we can get some pattern, we can get some pictures, right? We can get some shapes, so which are called geometrical shapes. Geometrical shapes, right? So suppose this is 1, only 1 is there. With the help of 2 we can make one straight line when we are going for, so these all are powers of 2. So 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4. So you see, with this 4 we have got a square shape or rectangular shape. Then again when it has become 8, so we have got a cuboid or cube where 8 vertices are there, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, right? So this is 8 and this is 16. So we are getting a different shape. So these we are able to obtain by using powers of 2. So like this we have completed few of the concepts on this particular chapter, patterns in mathematics, and further we will see some another patterns also in next video. If you have liked my video, please share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you are sharing with more and more students. Thank you very much.